Good morning, friends. Welcome to our new YouTube channel, Doorstep Garden. Today, friends, I am going to unbox one new Aglaonema plant in our Aglaonema plants garden. This is the variety is Lucky. This variety name is Lucky. It is one of the unique Thailand variety, and in my garden, this variety it was about 5 to 6 plants, but in 3 or 4 months before for Amphan, the superstorm, all plants had died. So again I think that to have to purchase this variety, and I purchased the variety from Mr. Pradeep Kumar from Visakhapatnam. So he sent the plants through DTDC courier, and I am going to unbox the plant today. And by DTDC we received the plants in just 3 days, but the package condition is worst. Maybe the Pradeep Kumar doing the very good packaging, but by DTDC they broke the packaging and totally smashed the box. I don't know in which condition plants are in the under the box, so I am going to open the box and see that what is the condition of the plant. Total box is damaged. DTDC doing their worst delivery, doing the good service okay in just 3 days, but service is very worst and handling is very worst. So now going to unbox the packaging. Let's see what happened. If the private courier broke these packages in this way, then how can I blame to our government speed post? Their service is now very well now after lockdown, and we always send the plants through speed post and through PVC pipe packaging, so plants are not damaged in the PVC pipe packaging, and it is 100% break proof packaging. Now the packaging is open. This is the plants. Again another coating is there. This is the plant. This is Lucky. Lucky and Frozen is looks like very similar, but this is the variety of Lucky. This plant I had 5 to 6 plants, but due to the superstorm Amphan, all the plants had died for heavy rain. So I purchased this variety from Mr. Pradeep Kumar from Visakhapatnam. He packed here through cocoa coir, so get the cocoa coir is some wet, and the plants get their water from here. So plant is already in good condition, but few leaves are goes yellow, and package is totally bricked by the DTDC. So Pradeep ji, thank you so much for this beautiful plant, and it's a very long height plant, approx 2 feet. This is the approx 2 feet height. Look at the size. This is approx 2 feet height of the plant. Plants is in good condition and it will survive very well, but package is totally broken by the DTDC. Okay, Pradeep ji, you have to improve your packaging also. So friends, for this reason only we always use PVC pipe packaging for Aglaonema. PVC pipe packaging is one of the most costly packaging, and it is a 100% damage proof and break proof packaging for any plants, because of our motto always to send the plants to the customer in damage free condition, but anybody don't know that what will be the happening in the transit. So we always provide this PVC pipe packaging for Aglaonema. In this packaging there are 6 to 8 holes in every PVC pipe packaging, so the plants would not get suffocated in the packaging under this pipe. So this is another also, and the hole we have to there. So this pipe we always use for PVC pipe packaging. This is the pipe, this is the hard pipe. This pipe we always use for PVC pipe packaging to the Aglaonema. Now I am going to open the bottom portion of this plant. Roots and under this coco coir, the media is totally wet and moist, so the roots are also okay, and a few roots is now damaged. This is all goes flushy for extra moist. These roots are damaged, these roots are damaged, these are damaged, this is a damaged roots, damaged, this is also damaged. This happening for extra moist, but rest of the roots are okay, so we have to take care of the plant and pot it up to the 6 or 8 inch container. These all roots are damaged, these all roots, these are flushy, these all are going to soften and all are fluffy. This is rotten. So we have to, at first, when you receive the plants through any from outside in this packaged condition, then you have to put this root area in the antifungal liquid for 5 minutes. You have to must put this put this root area to antifungal liquid for 5 minutes. Then you have to put the plants to any pot. You can use 6 or 8 inch pot. Maximum roots are damaged. Maximum roots are damaged. This is also a damaged roots. All are flushy. I don't know in future how can I save the plant. Okay, let's try. So this is the unboxing of this lucky plant. This is one of the unique Thailand variety plant. So friends, if you like the video, then please give one like, and who are not subscribed our channel till now, I requested to them, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notification at the earliest. Thank you friends, thank you for full watching the video. Thank you, we'll meet you soon again. Thank you.